Hi, my name is Elizabeth Rawl. I am the product manager for the Zentra system that includes the ZL6, Zentra Cloud, and the ZSC. Today we're going to talk about ZL6 troubleshooting. So let's get started. Here we have a setup ZL6 with an Atmos 41 Gen 2. First thing we're going to do is note that our cables look clean. No rodents have chewed on it. Nothing has nicked the cable itself. This also applies to your Teros 12s if you have any sensors in the ground. So now that we've noted that there is nothing wrong with the cabling, we're going to open our ZL6 and verify everything looks clean. The first thing I notice in this unit is that our sensor is not plugged in all the way. So what we want to do is unplug it, make sure there's no debris, dirt, grass, anything like that, insects either. You're going to feel 2 clicks when we do this. That's how you know that you're going to have a really good connection. So now that we've done that, I want to check our batteries. Sometimes you go out to the field and your batteries are dead. I always recommend bringing a set of new batteries. Don't reuse old batteries and don't mix and match your alkalines and rechargeables. So when we look at our batteries, we want to make sure that we have positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. It looks like our last battery is installed upside down. This can be a problem down the road with battery drain issues. Your unit may still turn on, but you will see degraded service. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap that, turn it back upside down, and we'll see these 2 flashing lights once we get that power restored. Just make sure on the inside you see that we have indications of batteries if you're unsure about which direction they need to go. Now that we've restored power to the unit, you'll see that our red and green light are blinking. The next step is to check our cellular connection with Zentra Utility Mobile. Make sure that you have Zentra Utility Mobile downloaded. You can get it from any app store. This will allow you to run a cellular test, check your sensors, and verify that your measurement interval is what you want. To turn on Bluetooth, make sure you press the test button on your ZL6. This will turn your Bluetooth on for 3 minutes. When Zentra Utility Mobile finds the device that I'm working with, I'm going to click it, and it will load and connect the ZL6 to my phone. You can see the measurement interval, the battery, as well as your firmware version. Next, we're going to do a cellular upload test to verify the ZL6 is talking to Zentra Cloud. To do this, we're going to press the test button in the actions pane and let it run a cellular test. This could take a few minutes, so please be patient and don't walk away from your ZL6. This will verify that the device that you are working with is being able to connect to Zentra Cloud and a cellular tower. Now that we've verified that your device is talking to Zentra Cloud, we're going to button this up. We're going to make sure all of our cables are ready to go, and we're going to head back to the office so then we can actually do some science and not worry about our equipment. If you do have any questions about the setup, about your data, please don't hesitate to contact support.environment@metergroup.com. We're always happy to help.